Mark looked at his telephone, disappointed and exhausted. He frantically required a method for advancing this subsidiary item. Yet he didn't have the cash to run advertisements or the skill to make a viral video to post on Instagram or TikTok. You know, something that would snatch consideration quick. Perhaps a superstar support or something, yet employing an entertainer. Too costly, video editors too muddled? He looked at childhood with his work area. Man, on the off chance that I could get the stone to make a video that I can post on my Instagram, deals would skyrocket. He kidded to himself, wondering for no specific reason. He researched how to make photographs talk. That is the point at which he coincidentally found Revio. He didn't trust it from the outset yet. He chose to check it out. After all, it costs under a pizza, and it accompanies an ironclad money and sure says so. Later, he transferred the stone's photograph, and inside the space of seconds the picture was talking Annis in English as well as advancing his item in Spanish, French and Japanese. Imprint sat to be paralyzed. He transferred the video to his pristine Instagram account, and in no less than 12 hours he got 60 perspectives for his video, produced 78 ticks to his partner offer, and made $389 tourisms. Individuals use Revio each and every day and obtain comparable outcomes. Listen, customary video creation isn't just exorbitant yet. In addition, profoundly specialized and tedious entertainers charge thousands, in some cases a large number of dollars. Altering devices have steep expectations to learn and adapt, and artificial intelligence voice generators. They sound mechanical and abnormal, yet recordings are fundamental in the event that you're not winning, and except if you have abundant resources or lots of time, it feels difficult to keep up. Yet consider the possibility that there was a method for making stunning HD recordings from only a photograph. Envision transforming any message photograph or 5-second clasp into a talking, singing, or in any event, moving video in a flash and in English as well as in various dialects. Sounds wild, right? Presenting Revio, the world's most memorable. Any message photograph or 5-second clasp into talking, singing and moving recordings, with hyper-practical feelings, lip sync and similar development, in any specialty and language you need with Revio. You can transfer any static photograph or 5-second clasp and rejuvenate it in seconds. Cause your photograph lips to match up the contents you compose or voices you clone. Make your 5-second selfie talk, sing and hit the dance floor with feelings. Have intelligence character advance your items, produce recordings in numerous dialects for a worldwide crowd, make viral eye-catching substance quicker than at any other. Trade your recordings in full HD GO without watermarks, thus substantially more. This is precisely the same state-of-the-art innovation believed by Hollywood studios and incredibly famous brands. Envision Kanye West divulging your dress line or Elon Musk enthusiastically advancing your new pivotal application, all produced from only a solitary photograph, every last bit of it, right from a solitary natural dashboard. No entertainers, no Revio's unrivaled human-like feelings, exact developments, and sensible sounds. Your manifestations won't look genuine, they'll feel genuine. You'll have the option to create recordings like this and this 2025 in under 60 seconds with zero manual work, insight, or costs. Makers, powerhouses, and entrepreneurs are transforming straightforward pictures into staggering recordings that rack up a great many perspectives and deals. Hello, I go, babe. Man-made intelligence motor that permits you to transform any message, picture, reel, or 5C clasp into talking, singing, and moving video characters that will in a real sense do or say anything you need in HD video quality. Envision having a VIP advancing your item. Envision a competitor advancing your neighborhood business. The SKU. Anything manual, actually no video shoots, no entertainers, no memberships. Transfer a photograph and Revio wraps up. It works for everybody and anybody, paying little heed to where you're from, what language you talk, or even your degree of involvement. All you want is only 3 basic advances. Stage 1. Transfer any photograph or a 5-second clasp of your number one person, or browse are prepared to utilize character layouts. Stage 2. The person talk sing hit the dance floor with faultless lip sync in any language. Stage 3 commodity. Your video in excellent, with zero limitations and zero watermarks. And the best part is no regularly scheduled installments, no forthright costs, no establishment or design, no restrictions or limitations, no programming interface expenses. Astounding. I'm certain you're thinking about how much this will cost you. I mean, it will save you at least one create pay like this, so it'd be reasonable to charge you at least $9.97 per month for it. Yet I can't do that. I was in imprint shoes battling to make even $100 per month on the web, so I don't believe anybody should experience something very similar. And since I bring in a very sizable amount of cash with Revio, I needn't bother with your cash. All I ask you is to simply take care of the expense of the faces. All the faces to simply take care of the expense. Have limitless and unlimited admittance to Revio. Not that I'll try and give you a free business permit so you can involve it in your business or your client's business, or sell it on Fiverr, Upwork, or whatever else. And to make the arrangement significantly simpler, you'll get elite rewards worth over $10,000, and you're safeguarded by my 30-day ironclad, unconditional promise. If under any circumstance you believe that Revio isn't for you, send us an thing. Are you sitting tight for? Click on the connection beneath before we arrive at our breaking point and close down Revio everlastingly and get your duplicate now, and I'll see you on the opposite side.